This is the lift at Picton Ferry Terminal. I think this is a Schindler. No. Oh no, I don't think it is a Schindler. It's actually an older. I think it's an older one. It's made by the Central Lift Co, so it's a generic. So it's a generic. It's had the buttons and it's had the indicators replaced by Schindler. It's noisy. Here's your telephone. Just take it back down again. 773 kgs, 11 persons. Nice interior, I like the carpeting. So here we are. We won't take it up again because I haven't got time, but there it goes. And that's it.